Welcome to the of Motorola Moto G53, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then click to the settings, tap to voice to Google Assistant section and click to Hey Google and voice match. Just open to activate this option, we should click here to get started. Tap to next. Yes, I agree. Continue. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. But now we should add our voice model assistant to recognize our voice. So click here, retain voice model, and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So then just tap to finish on the right down corner, and now we can see that we just successfully activate the Hey Google option, and when we just say OK Google or say Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.